The most delicious red pepper soup. Great for summer, great for winter, and yes, it's vegan. Absolutely delicious and uses up leftover veg. So you're going to need a roasting tin and your oven to 180 degrees centigrade fan. Pop a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in, and then I've got like 3 red peppers I've just chopped up. I also had a little bit of yellow left over, so I added that. A celery stick that's been chopped, also 2 to 3 tomatoes, about 4 garlic cloves I've just chucked in there as well. Also a carrot that I've sliced and 2 red onions. And as you can see here, I popped in some courgettes that I had left over, although that's not part of the recipe, but I hate food waste. So just give that a good mix round and add a little extra olive oil, and then you're going to pop it in the oven for around about 30 minutes until it's just starting to get char grilled, but not too char grilled. And I mean, you could also cheat and use some frozen char grilled Mediterranean vegetables if you want to make it cheaper and even easier. However, what I would say is add in some extra frozen red peppers, because it is a red pepper soup after all. You'll see here that I'm just squeezing out the garlic cloves just to get rid of that awful sort of shell stuff. Then in a large saucepan, just pop all those roasted vegetables in, along with 150 grams of red lentils, a good sort of sprinkling of chilli. You can put it in as hot as you like, and a litre of good quality vegetable stock. I also add in a bay leaf and a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree. Then I'm going to pop a lid on and cook it for a further 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you just want to check it for seasoning, so I'm adding a little extra salt and pepper, and then it simply is a case of blending it up until it is smooth. If you want it really silky smooth, then of course just place it through a sieve, but I like it just the way it is, with a tiny bit of texture. Now it's to serve, and yes, just pop it in a bowl, have with some lovely crusty bread, and this freezes brilliant. So now you know what to do with leftover red peppers. And of course, if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go now. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.